Hi guys, this is Pam here. Welcome to my Get Ready With Me Travel Edition video. First, I'm just going to wear my contact lenses and start washing my face. Every day I would use my L'Oreal toner after I wash my face because it helps cleanse and smoothen the skin. Then I would apply my moisturizer and eye cream. I use a spray foundation from Dior. I really like this foundation because it's quite light and the color is perfect for my skin. And it's also very fast to apply. Then I would apply my favorite concealer from MAC. I would apply that under my eyes and other places. Filling out my brows, and I'm using NYX in Chocolate. From editing this video, I realized that I took the most time in doing my eyebrow. And top them up with MAC's brown gel. Set my foundation with powder, especially under the eye area because that's the area most likely to crease. For contouring, I'm using Chanel Le Beige in number 40. And then blush. I've decided to skip the eyeshadow for this look because it takes time to perfect. So I went right in for the eyeliner. I'm applying the eyeliner to my upper and lower lid. And instead of using my liquid eyeliner for the cat eye look, I just use the same pencil gel liner to save time. For more dimensions, I'm using a no eyeliner in copper in the inner part of my lower eyes. Curl my eyelashes and apply my favorite mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Then apply my matte red lipstick. I've decided to go with red because I was in China. Put on my diamond stud earring because it goes well with literally everything. Straighten my hair a little bit. I don't really want to do anything else with my hair because that would take a lot of time. Just showing you some of the details here. So that's it guys. See you in my next video.